Digital twin technology is helping make city traffic management smarter. This technology deeply integrates GIS, big data, BIM, and IoT to create a highly realistic, real-time updating digital traffic mirror. Through its predictive, analytical, and visualization capabilities, it provides support for urban traffic management. The platform customizes information based on each owner's needs. For tunnel management, the main screen shows real-time traffic flow, environmental conditions, equipment status, camera views at tunnel entrances and exits. This ensures proper tunnel operation. For complex road management, the core functions include operation monitoring, toll management, law enforcement management, and maintenance management working together. The system collects and shows environmental data, traffic congestion, total traffic flow, toll collection trends, law enforcement cases, road condition updates through maintenance records. The system intelligently monitors and analyzes data from over 3,000 sensors throughout the tunnel, including fire, public broadcasting, and UPS systems. With a simple click, you can locate devices, view detailed information, and monitor their status in real time, allowing for early risk detection and prevention. You can also view the attributes of each component and call up the API, which provides convenience and efficiency for maintenance and management. We've integrated energy usage data into the management of key highway areas to visualize energy consumption at gas stations, office buildings, and charging stations. This demonstrates the intelligent integration of green transportation and energy management. The Project Progress Management module simulates and tracks construction progress in real time, ensuring accurate project planning and providing users with a comprehensive overview. By collecting detailed data from various tunnel sections and foundation pit stages, the Cost Measurement module provides users with intuitive human-computer interaction to browse and analyze a wide range of information. Using BIM technology, we can simulate real-world effects like real-time lighting, rain, and snow, creating a highly realistic scene. The Crystal mode provides a detailed view of the tunnel's structure and equipment. Looking to the future, intelligent transportation will continue to deepen technological innovation and application, driving the application platform towards a more intelligent and human-oriented direction.